Dun dun. Alright guys, just got my Harbor Freight dust collector in the mail. I'm super stoked. I've been wanting a decent dust collection system for a long time. I just decided to pull the trigger. I realized that installing the PVC pipe and the hoses and everything really wasn't as big of a headache to put up and take down if we move than I thought it was. So even though we may not be in this house for very much longer, I still thought it was worth the time and money to go ahead and invest in dust collection, especially before the winter hits and we're stuck in here and it just moved. Especially before we're stuck here in the winter and we have not a decent dust collection system. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it apart. Or it's already apart. I'm gonna put it together.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only
Alright, here's everything. Check this out. It's got 4 big old casters. It's got all your hardware. It's got, what is this? I don't even know what this is. I'm sure the instructions might tell me. We got the filter bag, we got the collection bag in here. I've ordered a different filter bag, one that's 1 micron. It's for a different one, but everybody says it fits on Amazon, so that's what I got. And then here is the dust splitter thing for the 2 ports. This is the guy that connects the top and bottom, or the motor to the separator. So through the magic of video editing, you're gonna get to see me do this 2-hour process in super fast.
Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, thinking that we no regret.
What do you guys do when you have big boxes like this? Our trash company won't pick them up. I've just been probably illegally dumping them into dumpsters at the apartment complex I used to live at because I hate those guys. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. What do you guys do with those boxes? I don't have a recycling center in town. I don't really want to drive all the way to the dump just for like a 2-pound cardboard box. So let me know what you guys do. All right, so that's pretty much it. It's all together, and I think it's gonna live right over there next to the miter saw, just so I can minimize the amount of tubing and ducting that I have to do in the garage. So I've got to work on some power solutions because this whole wall is on one circuit, but this whole wall is on another circuit, and I hardly ever use the outlets on this wall. So I need to find a way. I don't know if it's gonna be an extension cord over the directions over the top. Yeah, there we go. An extension cord over the top or what, but I'm gonna have to do something because I can't have the dust collector and all of my tools running on the same circuit. The 240 volt is separate, so that's not an issue, but when it gets down to like the miter saw and the sander and all those other things, I'm gonna have to come up with a creative solution to minimize the ductwork, because like an extension cord to go all the way over there is a lot cheaper than having to buy extra PVC pipe, plus it's more stuff in the way. So yeah. Oh, also, new things. You haven't seen this. I added a finishing cabinet rack sort of dealy whopper to the miter saw. I got really sick of, is the mic on? Yeah. I got sick of staring at just a stack of paint cans. I didn't have a good place for them, so I built this stand out of some scrap plywood. I also did a fence. Check that out. Is that cool or what? Look, guys, look. You can see all the way down to the end of the bench. And it's all lined up right there with the miter saw station. Isn't that great? So now I can make cuts and I can set up stop blocks and I can do all the things. And look, this isn't moving. You know how long I've been wanting that? And then I've got a line here for the rest of the fence, but I'll probably put another fence or something here in the future, but for now, this is a dream. Why didn't I do that sooner? Tell me, why did I wait so long? When, like, I know that you're thinking about this. There's a shop upgrade that you want to make that you haven't done yet. I don't know if your excuse is money, if your excuse is time, but why aren't you doing it? You can make way more money. Like, if that's something that's keeping you from doing a project, like me, like this miter saw. There were a couple of projects I was not doing because I wanted a miter saw station. And so I was putting the projects off and putting the projects off. And guess what? Now I did it. Now I'm excited. Now I'm working on three projects at once. I've got this cabinet here that we've been making. There's the top over there. We've been working on some bedroom furniture that we got from a friend. We've just been refinishing it. That just needs a few little tweaks. Like, there's a lot of stuff that I started doing once I finished the miter saw. So, I don't know. If there's something that you've got going on that you want to do, but you're holding off on it, just do it. Anyway, take a look at this top. Fake breadboard ends. Fake breadboard ends. Look at that. All I did was take that on the router with a straight edge guide and just made this weird half lap thing. And I glued it down. It's not going to go anywhere, and if it cracks and splits, it's rustic, so who cares? Woo, wrong way. So, anyway, that's what we've been working on. That's for my buddy Sam. And then this guy, this is going to be a marketing tactic that I'm going to use. That's right, a marketing tactic, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So stay tuned for that in an upcoming video. Yeah, just been super busy. Haven't been filming a lot recently. I don't know, it's just summer. We're trying to enjoy the boat and get outside because before winter sets in, we really want to do all the fun things for the summer. So, yeah, that's what we've been up to. But you should start seeing a lot more videos now because we got a new format. It's just going to be a vlog style. We're just going to start documenting, see where the channel goes. I don't care. The channel is for us to look back 5 years from now and say, hey, Jenny, remember when we didn't know how to sell anything and we thought we could start a YouTube channel? Yeah, that's what that's for. We'll show you projects and show you start to finish on a bunch of stuff, but it's really just going to be a lot more documentative than it's going to be like project based. So look forward to getting some dust collection stuff. I don't know if that'll be in this video or the next video, but it's coming soon. We're getting pipe and fitting it all up. I can't wait because then there won't be any dust and I'm not gonna die. Alright, we just got some boxes in the mail. Got these blast gates, got a brush from a bench, and a couple other little goodies. This is hardware for that guy. Doesn't this look good? I use that Benjamin Moore advanced cabinet paint. It's really nice, but man, look at this top. It's so smooth. I wish you could see how smooth it is. It's so smooth. Just polyurethane on top. And then, yeah, so this has rolling barn doors on the two outside edges. So it'll be two doors. You just move one at a time. Check out these doors. Made them out of MDF. Why did nobody ever tell me that MDF was such a great material? Nobody ever told me how easy MDF is to work with. They always just talk about, oh, it makes terrible dust, and oh, like, blah, blah, blah. But, like, it's great. Like, it cuts like butter. Yeah, it's got the nasty dust, but I mean, it makes some pretty nice looking doors. I don't know if you guys are smart enough to tell this, but this is not tongue and groove. This is just 1/2" MDF, and I just double layered it to make this outline. So it looks like it's floating panel, but it's not. And it's never gonna move, it's never gonna warp, it's never gonna it's never going to have any other problems. So yeah, make some stuff out of MDF. That's pretty neat. And no one's ever going to know. You know what they say about faking it? You fake it till you can't get away with it anymore, and then just try to find a new way to fake it.